Beaches, the guy who does the online workouts.
Oh, berries.
Berries. There.
But it's not beeping.
It hasn't made a beep.
It's not beeping since she's messed with it. Can we just leave it hang? How many tots, girls, does it take to fix the fire alarm? That's what I'm saying. Do we have to fix it? Can we just leave it? As long as it's not actually going to beep all night.
See, do you
Oh,
feel
yeah,
it,
I can
like,
feel
kind
it.
of going, and then I'm like, what's stopping it?
Carrie, your butt looks great in
These
this
are
video.
Spanx leggings.
Well, in this video.
I don't know how to get them off.
Because did you press the reset, or is it just off? Tell me why one of the first results is kitty smoke alarm change battery.
Just leave it though. You still have the tag in your hair tie.
How to replace. Get to it.
Oh.
It was in the video.
Oh. Okay.
This is like the equivalent of a recipe when they're like, my husband always loves cold iced tea on a hot summer day. It reminds me. You know, they tell you the story. You just gotta put the battery in.
Oh, okay. There's no place to put it.
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
This one's like a thin line one, but like, it's probably like a little gate type of, maybe on the side. See if there's something that looks like it's gonna swing open.
Why don't we just...
Okay, it's okay, you're fine. In my old house, when I did that, scorpions came through.
Oh my gosh, why are you saying
There's
that?
There's not scorpions in the beach.
That we know of. They're
No.
called
Up
lobsters.
church, shut it.
Telltale heart.
It hasn't been beeping for a while.
Kind of, but it looks like it's wired into the black and
But
red
you
line.
should be able to just remove the old battery and put it in a battery. I always call Don Shields to do this for me.
Who's Don Shields?
He's my friend. He knows how to do this shit.
My dad said if we can't fix it, we can call Hugo tomorrow.
Who's Hugo? Is he Don?
Is he here?
Does he know Don?
I was up there twisting away.
It was
All right, well then let's just go relax and do Tots things.
okay.
Okay.
So we're just
we're leaving the battery here.
Pocket
Leave the
this.
store here.
I think when this happens at 2 a.m. and you can't sleep, you're gonna have to put this battery in there. I used to own a home, so I know.
Spot me.
This is why I sold it, because I don't want to do shit. Now I have an apartment.
Okay.
I just call the office. Just call the office, Hillary.